Hey guys, I'm in the midst of doing the top end rebuild on my Blaster here, and I just wanted to show you guys the Airsal 200 that I got. It's probably been sitting in my garage for like 2 or 3 months at this point, and I just got around to doing it. Your gaskets here. Oh yeah, this is what I wanted to show you guys. Let's get the rings out of here. The port mapping, I think it's called, or something along those lines, or the ports, or whatever they're called. They're so much different than the stock cylinder. It's almost unreal to me. Like, look at this one has like almost like a trifecta kind of thing going on here, and this one's kind of like a mushroom kind of deal. And also towards the exhaust, I don't know if I can get a good angle on this here. You can kind of see it through this way. There's like the main port here, and then there's these like auxiliary exhaust ports on the side that the stock cylinder it doesn't have that like at all. There's just this one big port here on the stock cylinder. So I think this Airsal cylinder combined with this Yamaha YZ pipe that I kind of retrofitted, I think it's going to absolutely fly once I get this cylinder on here. I think it's going to move out of its way pretty good. Yeah, I'm just going to continue putting this thing back together. There's probably not going to be a time lapse. I'm just going to get straight to the comparison footage in the first ride after this clip. I got everything in and it sounds good, so I'm just going to let it heat cycle like 2 or 3 times, and then I'm going to take it out for first impression. Alright, so I just got done with doing the runs for the Airsal 200 kit. I want to say it's like I got new wheels on the car. I think it's pretty sick. But I swear it's probably been like 2 months since I installed the thing and shot like the other parts of the video. I'm a little bit of a lazy motherfucker, so I just haven't been getting around to shooting the video. It's a little bit hard to know whether it did a lot or not because I didn't ride the bike like back to back from like the stock OEM kit to the Airsal kit. Top end, I definitely would say it doesn't feel stronger there. I would say it feels maybe the same, but in like the mid-range area, I don't think the RPMs come up. Oh yeah, they do. I would say like in like the 7,000 area ish, it feels like a little stronger, but I don't know. I don't think it's any like crazy like amounts more stronger than what it was. It wheelied a little bit easier, I think. Again, it's a little hard to say because it's been many months. It's been like 2 or 3 months, but I feel like it felt better overall.